Oh, okay. Ngicela ukuphendula ngevideo. I-comment ithi, my main worry about our party is that I hear abantu abanamava bayaxoshwa. Why? Kindly respond. Ngifuna ukwenzela i-example ngejele. Ijele is a very rich place. Kukhona odokotela laphaya, abameli, ama-accountants, ama-engineers, town planners, architects, technicians, artisans, teachers, nurses, you know, people with skills that are needed on day-to-day running of South Africa as a country. But because they disregarded the law, they were removed and they were not allowed to apply those skills anymore, even though these are necessary skills, because in as much as their skills are needed, but because they cannot abide by the rule of law, they can cause more damage than the contribution that can be made by their skills. Nalana ku-MK Party, umuntu owaziyo kakhulu, owazi kancane, nongazi lutho, kubhekelekile ukuthi alandele i-constitution ye-organization. If kukuthi kuyamhlula lokho, that person will be removed because uzokhoza i-damage kwi-organization. Akubalulekanga mhlawumbe ukuthi wazi kangakanani. We all know that knowledge is acquired. If one is willing to learn, uzokwazi lokho kwaziwa yilo ohluphayo. Into ebalekile ukuthi umuntu kwi-organization ozizele akalandele phela imithetho ye-organization. Uma kumhlula lokho aphuma uvule lakhe iqembu kamazenzele. Lendi lapho ke nje akuxoshwa abantu abanamava, kuxoshwa abantu abanama scandals, abantu abenza izinto engavumelani neqembu bayaxoshwa impela ke. Ukuthi wena ubabona benamava but kukhona amava amanye mhlambe angeke adisclose kuwe are wrong, a contributor ekutheni i-organization ibe destroyed. Not so long ago siyabona umbalishi nge-NFP dealer naye, not because she's not intelligent and learned, but dealer naye because she defied the mandate of the organization. So awukwazi ukuthi kwi-NFP you need to keep this one because unamava. No, it's not about that. Uyayiserva yini purpose yakhe? Does she do what she's expected to do by the organization?